信我可以再回到过去，我一而在心里度秒测我们的距离。
I'm Dorielle.
I'm Alex. And we are reacting to Yifan, Mr. Chris Wu.
Oh yeah, I forgot. It's been
days.
so long!
To Time Boils the Rain. I don't know why there's suddenly a video for this.
10 years later.
On the soundtrack that came out last year, I'm pretty sure. But
he did say finally on his video.
He's a random person, so...
I think even Chris is like, y'all being slow.
He said finally.
Yeah, so.
I'm excited to see his face again. It's been too long.
Me too.
I released one of those damn movies already.
I know,
like 7.
Yeah.
Stupid editing process.
Stupid. He's pulling he's a Chinaman Fasty right now. Like a fast bender.
China way. Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. Let's watch some. Let's watch some movie.
Are we gonna cry? Let's cry.
Time Boils the Rain.
Sorry, Shima.
No.
Oh, I love this one. I think I might even like this one more than the other one.
Oh yeah, you do like the song a lot.
It's so cute. Oh, does that clip from the movie?
Get the bottom.
This song sounded beautiful.
Hey, right?
Smoke. Out of the smoke, you know, like the ground. You fly. Fly away.
How do you see it? I've heard this song before. Yeah. His lips are very. What are you doing? What are you doing? It's all the holes fall.
She's wearing a beautiful fur coat.
Yeah. Wow.
It's rich people.
This is how y'all. When I have angry fights with my friends outside.
No, that's just the cute.
Like white.
I love how she mixed with fake and real ones. Yeah. You see all the women in here? It's so cute. Oh. Wow. So artistic.
Look at this money.
That's how I took a line.
Give you money.
Oh, it's very dramatic. I want to watch it. I remember he was like,
I guess it's powder on that one. Don't look at me. No.
Oh no, he's throwing the big roses. Some rich ass people.
Oh wow. Wow. So much violence. Yeah. She's wearing snake skin boots. I'm sorry, this one.
Since they want him to eat.
Oh, are they in college or high school? Yeah.
One
University, yeah.
Must be. High school people wear that.
No.
Sometimes anime, like, y'all high school.
Maybe it's like, white. Yeah. I think maybe they're flashbacks. Like when they're in the uniforms.
Okay.
Whoa.
Don't cry like that.
No.
No. Way.
Can't understand your skin. Your pores are really small. Okay.
Yeah, like those kind of lights make your skin look horrible. Okay.
Moody ass.
Well, not the nape. Oh, not the nape. You know how Dorielle feels about napes. I'm not very fond of them as an accessory.
Oh, the movie not out yet? When did the soundtrack come out last year? Oh, maybe the song was for I think the song was for the third one in this franchise. And apparently they brought it back for the fourth one?
Oh.
That's my guess.
If I was doing better if
I'm sure somebody will let me know in the comments because y'all Chinese fans are amazing. So
yes. Tell us all the information you know.
we didn't,
Please.
We didn't look anything up before this because we're lazy people. That
well,
was sad.
That was...
Emotion.
Sorry. I also lie down in the forest when I'm upset while contemplating life when in my snakeskin boots.
Yeah,
knee-high snakeskin boots.
Sad, but it looks expensive. I like.
What's that?
I don't know. I've learned from Korean dramas. I like stories about rich people. So.
I'm rich and I've been paid eggs. But look at these.
At least they look nice while they're in eggs.
Look at these manteaus. Coats. Ooh. Oh my god. Lost the English there for a moment. Manteaus. Very well.
I just thought you were doing it on purpose.
Nope. Legit came out.
I'm so over Yifan singing.
Yeah.
The song's still so beautiful a year later. Oh.
Chinese music in general.
I know, these ballads just hit me in the field.
That's why I love Mulan so much.
Wu Yifan, you're still Wu amazing. And I still think that joke's funny.
Only you would.
Didn't I make it?
No, I made that joke.
Oh, I don't like it then.
Oh, okay.
Whoa!
See how vapid he is. Well, she loves your need.
Yeah, so this video was really sad, and there was rain, which was gross, and there was a lot of close-ups.
There was some
not as many close-ups because it's like Tian Mimi. It's not some like we're gonna like show you every detail, every pore on Luhan, which is like none.
Yeah.
So, but we saw the flawlessness of Chris's face. There's a lot of that movie looked very interesting. He looked beautiful. His
face tremors when he was crying.
Oh, the acting though, boy.
The acting.
But I don't think the award.
On the award.
Release another movie though. This is what I'm saying.
I'm waiting.
I'm ready.
We went to see.
We saw Somewhere Only We Know.
Somewhere Only We Know in the theaters, and it was legit the best thing ever. We just sat there. It was only us. We went to. You don't know what South Keys is. We went to a far theater that is small.
The only place that was playing in Ottawa.
It was like its fourth day playing or something.
It was like its second week.
Second week, so nobody was there. None of the old Chinese people, like I thought that were gonna be judging us, going like, "Shut up!" But like nobody was there, and it was the best thing ever. We got to. I stood up at one point. It was pretty bad.
I ran around the theater.
Yeah, it was on her bucket list. She has a messed up bucket list. Some people are like, "Oh, I want to cure cancer." She's like, "I want to run around an empty theater."
I'm not bungee jumping.
Okay, that's fair. But anyways, let me digress.
But yeah, we really liked this video, and hopefully he releases more music soon, so we can do more reactions to them. And yeah, maybe when we do rapping again, because singing is pain. So
see a body went over the hole.
Is he gonna actually make like his own album?
I don't know. He seems focused on the like acting thing, but you never know with him. He just seems to do whatever he wants. So I'm down for freedom is. Feel some music. I love you doing music. Yeah. Even though I love your acting too, I'm not one or the other. Yeah, if you liked our reaction, you should please subscribe to our channel, leave us your comments, and click the thumbs up. And we will see you in our next reaction. Bye.
We amazing for y'all.
We fine. We love you. If you don't know what to say, I love you in Chinese.
What I need.
What I need.
What I need.
我绝不放手，放开矜持。